Hey again, and thanks for practicing. Welcome to Clarinet Largo chunk number 3. We are still using low B, A, G. We are still using F sharp. There is still a sharp sign in the key signature. We have an E flat in this chunk. Now we've known E flat for a long time. We just haven't used it for a long time. So this chunk starts out with F. This is a normal F, by the way. That's a natural sign. F to E flat. Me first. So do that a few times. F, E flat. We're still using the B, D, D. That B, D, D from last time. But this time B, D, D is followed by a high G, A, B. So that's new. So we've got the B, D, D followed by G, A, B. So starting on the B, I'll do it 3 times. Listen or play along. Again, go. Last time, go. So we're going to use a similar method. We're going to sing it first. Doesn't really matter if you sing too high or too low. I just want some love in your voice. So, I'm going to drink that water and ready, go. Da 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 go da 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 go da 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 34 da 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 39 I forgot, there is an A sharp. A sharp is the same thing as B flat. That's the pincher. So when you see A sharp, like here, you've got A sharp. You're going to be like A followed by A sharp. So just a fun little creepy crawly. And I like to write a B flat there. That helps my brain remember. All right. Feel free to listen or play along. Here's chunk number 3. Ready, go. That's going to take a lot of strength and control, so thank you for practicing. Slow and accurate is always the right answer. Please let me know if you have questions. Thanks again for practicing. Have a great day.